Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Hello, hello. Good
Maayong gabi,
morning.
maayong buntag, and maayong hudto.
Kumusta po kayo dyan? Saan mang sulok ng mundo kayo nanonood?
Oo. So, it's us again. Sa hindi ulit nakakakilala sa amin, my name is Shine. I'm a registered nurse.
And my name is June. I'm an IT professional and a project manager.
And we are an online business owner.
Yeah.
So, yesterday we talked about ano yung pinag-anuhan natin kahapon?
Anong skepticism?
Oo, yung skepticism.
Ano ba yan?
Sa dami ng iniisip. Nakalimutan na yung topic.
Kaya pa.
Oo. So, ngayon, isang interesting topic again na isi-share namin sa inyo. It's, we always encounter this statement from, somebody who is trying to look about this business that we are sharing.
So business opportunity.
So people always tell us we're afraid to try this online business that you have. So we understand because we were once there. Like me being a nurse, I have no idea how to run an online business. Syempre, it's so scary. It's so scary to dive into something that I don't know.
And syempre, yung mga hard-earned money na yung pinagpawisan, pinag-ipunan, ayaw mong mawala na lang basta-basta.
Oo. But you know what do you call this? What made this fear went away? Did you know? Because I personally have my own fears, but my fears are bigger than my whys. My whys are my family, my children, my husband. So, kung hindi ko i-face yung fear ko, so wala akong kapupuntahan. Diba? Sabi nga nila, don't let your fear make you do nothing to make things happen. Diba? Kasi at the end of the day, kailangan mo pa rin harapin ang fear. Diba? Wala kang matatakbuhan kundi harapin yun. So, unang-una, kailangan natin, yun nga, i-acknowledge yung fear. So, I acknowledge the fear of not having the experience to run the business. I don't have knowledge on how to do the business. But it's normal. Diba? Kumbaga, ano yan siya eh. Kumbaga, it's a normal feeling to be scared and hesitant to try new opportunities, especially online ones. Kasi nowadays, maraming yung mga negative things about online. So, yun din yung mga isa-isa sa mga factor na kumbaga nagbigay ng pagiging intense yung fear ko. But, syempre, we need to understand the fear. So, let's just identify some common fears that we have. So, unang-una, since we are talking about the business, katulad nung na-mention niya, we're fear about scams and fraud. Diba? Kasi nga, as he mentioned earlier, it is your hard-earned money, diba? Tapos, kumbaga parang mawawala lang siya ng bigla kung halimbawa napunta ka sa mga taong hindi naman ganun hindi nila iniisip yung kapakanan mo. Diba? Second thing is yung fear of the unknown. 'Diba? Kasi since new platform, new tools, unfamiliar tools, tapos yung online environment, 'di ba? Intimidating siya. 'Di ba?
And syempre hindi mo mayaalis na magdalawang isip ka talaga. Especially kung ngayon mo lang narinig yung business na yun.
Oo.
Tapos hindi ka pa familiar, wala pang masyadong testimonies, walang proof na it can earn money for you.
Oo. So yun nga, doon din papasok yung fear of failure or financial loss. Apart from the financial loss, yung fear of failure. Kasi ako, nung in-start ko siya, syempre, tao lang naman din ako. Talagang naramdaman ko, what if hindi maging successful yung business? So, hindi nawala hindi nawala yung fear of failure na yun. Kahit naman sa anong business, hindi lang online, maskin traditional business. 'Di ba? Hindi mo maaalis sa sarili mo na natatakot ka din na paano kung hindi mag-workout yung isang bagay na gusto mong gawin.
Tama.
'Di ba? Pero although you have those fear, the goal is to learn and protect ourselves as we explore. 'Di ba? And then why it's normal to feel this way? Kasi usually fear often comes from lack of knowledge or from hearing negative experiences from others. 'Di ba? Kumbaga fear is yung defense mechanism, protective mechanism natin dun sa isang bagay na hindi ka sigurado. But sometimes it can hold us back then from positive opportunities. So, kung halimbawa hinayaan ko yung sarili ko na matakot lang and hindi ako nag-dig deeper, hindi ko in-explore yung business, hindi ko malalaman na yung potential ng business to supplement our income. 'Di ba? Kumbaga nasa sayo 'yon kung paano mo siya dalhin yung fear na 'yon. And then also, we need to know the benefits of overcoming the fear. 'Di ba? Although you have the fear, since you already research the business, you already look into it, and you know the potential things that this business can offer you, you already know the possibility of having a passive income. Passive income is real, guys. May mga, I don't know if you're following Chinkitan, 'di ba? He keeps on telling how to generate passive income because it's really happening. You can really generate income. You just have to know how you are going to get it or how to work out to get that passive income, 'di ba? And then these online opportunities can provide the passive income that you want, giving you the financial freedom that you are looking, 'di ba? Like katulad yung sa mga freelance, mga consultancies. So those areas of ano mo yata kamag-anak mo sa Ate Merlinda.
Si Merlinda.
Hello po,
pamangkin.
Hello, magandang umaga. So, you just have to find the right way for you to get for you to generate the passive income. So, just imagine being able to add a bit more income each month, 'di ba? This could be saving for a big goal, like supporting family needs or building a safety net. Like for us here in the US, having this extra income, it's really, really beneficial for us. Kasi here, halos lahat we pay for everything, plus taxes pa, di ba?
Everything may tax. Ultimo yung tubig na bibilin mo may tax yun.
Oo, so really
per piece, ha?
So,
per item.
So, yung income na nasusupplement or that you can earn from from the business, it helps you a lot na, alam mo yun, sa pang-araw-araw na gastusin nyo sa bahay.
Mm-hmm.
'Di ba? Also, another benefit of overcoming your fear is yung flexibility and freedom of having an online business. Kasi 'di ba, when you have an online business, it's really it's really flexible kasi you can do the business anywhere, anytime, at your own pace, 'di ba? And then it is also a big advantage for busy parents then, at saka may full-time job kasi minsan yung online business naman is you can do it as a side hustle.
Mm-hmm.
'Di ba? Like what we are doing, we are still working as a full-time nurse and IT professional, but we're doing the business on the side. So, kumbaga hindi siya makakapaghinder sa current job mo.
Mm-hmm.
And then another benefit of overcoming your fear is you will have growth and learning. 'Di ba? Because trying something new, even if it doesn't turn out as planned, brings personal growth and learning. Parang kumbaga sa amin, although since we are new in the online world, it's really beneficial that you take on the trainings. You have to check on the resources provided for you in order for you to to learn the business, and then at the same time, dun sa mga trainings na nakukuha mo dun, usually kasi nagbibigay din ng growth yun, hindi lang sa business, personal growth din, personally. Like for us, we just recently, a few months ago, we have this mind shift challenge. So it's really good thing na nakapag-join din ako during that time kasi sometimes hindi naman talaga nawawala yung, alam mo yun, yung negativity sa isip ng tao. So it really works on how you become positive even if things doesn't turn out as you plan.
Mm-hmm.
'Di ba? And then we will just also share some tips for taking the first step despite the fear. So yesterday we talked about skepticism, 'di ba? So we will be again stressing this out to you guys. You need to do your research and verify. 'Di ba? You have to do your own due diligence, whether this business that they are offering to you is legit, is this tax registered, is this really refutable company, things like that. You have to do your part as a, ano ba yun? You have to do your part na kung halimbawa gusto nyong maging online business in the future.
Aspiring to become an
if you are
business
aspiring
owner.
to become an online business owner, you also have to look for the reviews, testimonials, di ba? Those are the things that we stressed yesterday. And then also, kasi when you are doing your research, when you are doing your verification dun sa authenticity ng online business na ino-offer sa inyo, it also protect yourself. 'Di ba? Kumbaga parang kumbaga pinoprotektahan mo yung sarili mo para hindi ka maloko.
Mm-hmm.
'Di ba? Usually what happens is that when people get scam kasi hindi sila nag-research.
Oo. Maraming ganon.
We've
been there, done that.
So another tips also for us to share to take the first step despite the fear is to start small. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Starting small is it means you're taking an action.
Mm-hmm.
'Di ba? Kasi starting with a small investment of time or money to ease into the opportunity without feeling overly pressure. Actually naman kasi when you are starting your business, when yung sa mga newbies talaga, syempre they still have a lot to learn. So they cannot take all information at the same time. So they have to take their time para matutunan yung business. Tama po ba?
Oo, and like, if you have any question, syempre, meron namang mga communities na po pwede kang magtanong. Based on that, siguro ma-share din nila sa'yo kung ano yung mga experiences nila, kung anong dapat mong gawin in such situations, kung nasaan ka man stage at that time, and maiga-guide ka nila properly.
Oo. And then next also is you have to seek support and mentorship. Katulad nung lagi naming ini-stress with our online business, our business has a mentorship, and really the online community is very supportive, not just for the beginners, but for those who really thriving well on the online space.
Oo, parang mo sila, partners mo sila along the way.
Yeah, kasi sometimes when things get overwhelmed, you don't know what to do. So it's nice to have a supportive community that will help you out to sort things para makapag-move forward ka with your business.
Right.
So, katulad nung sa amin, when we started the business, katulad nga nung sinabi ko, di ba, I don't know anything about running an online business, but I asked for help from my mentors, from my coaches, and then even up to now, like we've been in the business for more than a year now, 16 months to be exact.
Mm-hmm.
So it's been a roller coaster ride, really, because we're still learning up to now, because learning is still we are still in a work
in progress.
We are still work in progress. Kumbaga, although I know we know already the standard things, the basic things that we need to do para mapatakbo yung online business, but it's never too old for us then to learn new things, because online nowadays it's really evolving now, especially we are using the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Almost every month nag-change sila, may mga updates. So we really need to update ourselves also.
And napaka-bilis din ng AI, lalo na yung pagdating sa algorithms. So in a snap, alam nila kung saan ka magbo-boom, alam nila kung ano yung kailangan mong i-improve, alam nila kung saan ka dapat mag-focus. So you will be guided properly.
Oo. And then although yun nga, 'di ba? We were scared. I know he was scared for me too. Kasi nga he was my number one critic when I started the business. Like I know he's afraid for me that I might fail, I might get depressed, and
and worse, mawala yung pinag-ipunan mo, yung ininvest mo.
Oo.
Yun ang worst thing na po pwedeng mangyari sa'yo.
Oo. But I didn't let that fear to overcome my dreams for my family. Kasi if I will not do this, who else will? Walang gagawa sa amin. And I want, I have my dream personally. When I started the business, I want to retire him from work. I want to retire him from work kasi I want him to stay. I want him to enjoy the times na maliliit pa yung mga bata, like that he will be able to give quality, to share the quality time with the kids. So siguro by the time that I can retire him, maybe I can retire too. So I don't let that fear to, to stop me from what I know I can do for my family. Kasi kung hinayaan ko yon, actually, I started the business na ayaw niya sa umpisa. Ayaw niya talaga. Kasi takot nga siya nga na maloko ako and all. But here we are now. We are thriving in our business. Now he's joining with me, doing this go live and sharing this online business. So, somehow the fear that I have before, it brought us here.
Yeah. Siguro dahil na rin sa mga pinagdaanan ko. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ako po ay nag-start sa bangko din. And I've been 13 years sa retail. Name it, accounts, loans, credit cards, investment products. I'm a certified investment professional as well. So, having said that, na-experience ko din doon how volatile the market is. And I've seen people really lost their money in just a snap pagdating sa investment. So, ganon siya kumbaga ka-volatile na hindi mo mape-predict ang market. Pero I know, iba naman itong online business and syempre, mas conservative ito kumpara sa investments through, stocks and bonds and other, instruments. It's just that hindi ko lang maalis din sa isip ko yung mga experiences na naramdaman ko din looking at people lost their money, especially nung nagkaroon ng credit crunch, nagkaroon ng recession. Yung iba, nabalitaan nyo din naman siguro, may mga nag-suicide and through those experiences, syempre parang teka, ano tong business na to? Kailangan maging careful ka sa lahat and it's really a big risk whether it's a small investment or not. You're still taking a risk of losing.
Oo nga. That's why we are educating people like from our yesterday's topic about feeling skeptical about online opportunities. We emphasized yesterday that they need to check as I have mentioned earlier, you need to research, you do your own due diligence, and then you need to check whether you check for reviews, for testimonials, check for whether they have a established reputation, things like that. If you are getting curious about what we are talking about, you can watch the replay from yesterday's. There's a lot of golden nuggets you can get there, especially online opportunities.
Tama.
So, just to wrap up and just to give you an encouragement, because we know fear already is like, something we fear about, diba? Yung fear itself, it really makes us, parang natatakot. But something to give you an encouragement. Success is possible and attainable for those who are willing to learn,
yeah,
to grow and push their their fears, away. Diba?
Overcome.
Oo, to overcome their fears. Kumbaga, parang ano lang yan yung, kumbaga, we just have to remember everyone starts somewhere. And it's the consistent small steps forward that lead to big changes.
Tama.
Diba? Kasi, ang tawag dito, you will never get to know something if you will not try it. Diba? Maski naman, let's just put it this way. May
opportunity side.
Oo, yun yung naisip ko nung time na sabi ko, paano yun? Baka hindi mag-work yung business. But at the back of my mind, sabi kong ganyan, what if nag-work ang business and I am able to retire my husband, I am able to retire myself. Diba? Yun yung, kumbaga, you are considering any online business opportunity, just take the small step. If you are curious what this online business we are talking about, we put the
link.
the link on the Go Live description for the title tonight, or you can send us
leave us a comment or DM us June and Shine dito sa Facebook, and we will be happy to address your concerns.
Oo.
And
kasi
queries.
Ano lang naman you don't need to go all in. But taking that first step might just lead you to something incredible.
Yeah. And who knows, this business would be, is the one that you're looking for, and that will suit you.
Yeah. So, yun lang po. We hope that we have shared something about fear and
overcoming.
Overcoming fear, and we are happy to share our own journey about about this topic, about overcoming fear when we ventured on this business. Kasi it's good also to to hear from the people who has been there already, 'di ba?
Syempre. And from there you will know that it's really a legit online business.
Yes. So if you get curious, just get back on the replay yesterday. So I think that would be all for now. Thank you for our viewers who stayed with us. I don't know the other one. But thank you po, and I hope you learned something from us tonight. And actually, this is our day 40 of the 90 days challenge.
Wow.
So we still have 50 days more of
Go Live.
Not just the Go Live, more
fruitful and valuable insights.
Yes. So it's not just about the online business. We can talk about anything, personal, career, anything. So thank you po for tuning with us live, and we hope to see you again tomorrow.
And please do leave us a comment.
Yeah. So maraming salamat po, and may God bless you and all your decisions in life.
Thank you po.
Good night.